Hi, I'm Alia and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am back again with yet another product review video because I randomly ordered bunch of products from Amazon Beauty, so let's review it together. This is going to be a haul slash a review video for all these products. Product number 1 is this Camouflage HD palette from the brand called Clara Secret. मुझे ये product Amazon पे show हुआ and it was looking really promising. Actually, I was looking for the Mars Cover Rangers palette. This one is very close to that Mars Cover Rangers palette because इस palette में मुझे काफ़ी variety of shades नज़र आए. So I'll open it for you. The packaging is very promising. It looks super classy. It has two sides like this and it opens from here. Wow, look at the shade range of this palette. It has all the shades from concealer to color correction and also white shades to match your foundation shade. So this looks pretty promising. Let's swatch it on. Here I have swatched some of the shades on my face directly. Now I am using the orange color corrector shade to conceal the darkness under my eyes and around my mouth and wherever I feel like I have darkness. Next up I am applying my BB cream, or you can use your foundation. I've blended it all over my face. Then I'm using the concealer shade from this palette. The formula is so smooth and creamy and it is actually blending into my skin, and the shade range is also very wide and suitable for all of the skin tones. And here's the final look of this. And now I'm contouring my face using the contour shades from this palette, and I must say the contour shades are very nice and blendable as well. I'm using a dense brush to blend it upwards and you can see the dimension it gave to my face. I will rate this palette a solid 10 out of 10. So the next product is this eyebrow and eyeliner duo from Swiss Beauty. I already have a lot of black eyeliners, but I don't own a brown eyeliner and a brown eyebrow kit. So this is in the shade brown, and I must say the packaging is really very promising. If you can see, it looks super classy. So it comes in a box like this. It has the main product here and a complimentary brush over here. So this is the main product, and on the top of the product आपको मिल जाता है eyebrow powder. This is for your eyebrows. You have a little mirror over here, and नीचे के compartment में you will get eyeliner. This is gel eyeliner, by the way, and I absolutely loved the packaging, and the fact that it comes with a brush is actually really amazing. The brush itself is also very nice. It has angular brush on one side and eyeliner brush on one side. And I'm really impressed by the fact कि this comes with a mirror जो कि काफ़ी compact और handy है. And I'm using the eyebrow powder here. I must say about the product quality, it was super blendable and it was just filling my eyebrows like a dream. If you're a beginner, you can definitely try this product out. Now moving on to the eyeliner. It is so creamy, like the texture is actually very creamy. I was not expecting this. It is actually very smooth and nice. I really loved the formula and the texture, everything. Next product that I got is this liquid blush from Swiss Beauty. It is the Dew It Up liquid blush, and this is in the shade Peach Fuzz. I don't own a peach blush. I never used a peach blush before. This is my first time using it. Packaging की बात करें तो it looks super cute, and if you open it, it comes with a doe foot applicator, which is really very unique as for a liquid blush. I'm really skeptical about using this shade, but let's try. Dot and a dot here. And सबसे पहले मैं इसको fingers से blend करूँगी to see the texture and formula of this blush. Yeah, this is pigmented. Very pigmented. and it blends like a dream. Oh my god. This is not a paid video, by the way. Nobody's paying me for these products, but this is actually amazing. The quality of this product are amazing. I think I will need one more dot. Wow, I just fell in love with the shade. It looks so peachy and winter kind of a vibe, as winter is here finally. Oh my god, I love it. It retails for rupees 369. You can find all of these products on Amazon, as I bought all of these products from Amazon itself. Last but not the least, I got this All I Need lip screen from Hyphen. I never tried Hyphen before. I really wanted to try Hyphen products for a very long time, but I wasn't sure which one to buy, and I really went for the safest option, which is the lip screen, which is almost everywhere. Well, I used it before reviewing this product, and I also added this charm over here because I really like adding charms to my lip gloss. So this is how the product looks like. The packaging is nice, everything is nice. I'm going to apply a little tint before going in with the lip, because the lip balm is transparent, it has no color. Now let's go in with the lip gloss, lip balm, whatever. I really like the packaging. It is very sleek, handy and beautiful. Balm का जो applicator है, it is very good. Like, it is very precise to applicate. But to be honest, I don't really enjoyed the aftertaste that it is giving me. It is not vanilla. It is something. Not for one time go, it is a good product, but I would really expect Hyphen to work on their taste stuff. I really like the color of this packaging, that's why I bought this one. So yeah, last but not the least, I also got a freebie. This came along with this palette. Yeah, like the concealer palette. This is, I think, the tweezer. It is very pretty. It is in rose gold color, and I think for a free product it is very nice. Well, I'm done with my makeup. I applied mascara as well, and this is the final look that I got using all of these products. I used my BB cream and mascara except for the products I bought in this entire look, but all of the things like the concealer, blush, contour, lip, I also used lip tint, but also like the lip balm, eyebrows, eyeliner, everything. Amazon has a wide range of products available over there, and I must say, in comparison with Nykaa, I really prefer Amazon because Amazon has a lot of good deals going over there, like over the price of product. I want to buy from Nykaa. I must suggest go and buy when Pink Friday sale is going on or any other kind of deal is going on, because other than that, the prices at Nykaa are a bit too high on the products that are cheaper on their own website. So I do buy from the original website or from Amazon. If you like this makeup look, if you like the product haul or review, do like my video, share my video and subscribe to my channel for more such content. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.